This is the Tree of Life, Season 29, Chapter 9. In this episode, we will be integrating our discussion in the last episode with Season 6, Chapter 5, and our much earlier discussion of epigenetic convergence. As discussed in the last episode, nonlinearity is produced by hidden layers in an interaction. This may occur due to contradictory structures within a domain which permit pivoting, or between domains, as we see in the compelling of acquiescence. In the parallel arrangement of contradictory paths, we see the resolution coming in the form of epigenetic convergence. In the last episode, we talked about how certain types of receptors filter consciousness from the vessel, resulting in a divergence between the phenotypic behavioral characteristics of a subject and that of the group. Epigenetic convergence is the process by which this divergence is eliminated through nonlinearity. The way this manifests can be conceptualized in terms of game theory as a zero-sum exchange followed by reciprocation. That is, there is a tit-for-tat exchange followed by reciprocation. Biologically, this is linked to cortisol release then followed by oxytocin. The four types of consciousness receptors don't just receive information by aligning with given structures, they also interact with these structures. The receptors don't just receive and filter common consciousness, they interface with the structures underlying a universe. Through this interface, they navigate between distinct universes within the multitude created by distinct and often contradictory sets of structures. The 9 plates of meaning, representing 9 impulses, are the 9 receptors represented by each plate. That is, there are the esoteric plate, the symbolic plate, the archetypal plate, the emotional plate, the plate of the face, the voice, the posture, location and hands. Each plate holds tension in expression and releases it in the relaxation, representing a series of receptors accessing distinct structures. In other words, the 9 plates of meaning are an address to our particular location within the manifold realities created by structures, which we interface with through the receptors of each plate. We learn also by the occurrence of nonlinearity within a domain that these universes may not be homogeneous structurally, but may be heterogeneous. All the structures describing distinct realities are mixed together, accessible from the same spatial coordinates in a universe. That's the end of the podcast for today.